Ni seweng pa sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko na ramchak soa, anga Alicia A. Sangma na simang na dali koborang ko para katenga. Kata bichongrang, Bernard Marak ko Chief Judicial Magistrate si rimanga. Thomas Jones Synod College Silver Jubilee manyanga. Vaipe Sorkari na skut hari ko report ko para katna menga. Grace Academy School, School Week manya ni ko machotanga. Chigumuk pa koborang, Turani BJP MDC Bernard Marak ko July jani khogruk 6 tarik ko ni police custody o donenga. August jani bonga tarik ko Bernard ko Turani Judicial Magistrate First Class Court una mukhang pataha. Arwa ko saldok na police custody o don ko china aga nangaha. MDC Bernard ko Judicial Magistrate First Class ni court una remangen aru chingawa ko saldok na police custody o don china bigen in West Garo Hills ni SP VS Rathor aga nangaha. Court ni surrender khana agana ni ko mani gija Bernard kapana dok china khatange dongnuwe donga hacham. Am sandina agana ni ko matne Bernard ko kapana dok ni police rang sandia ha arwa ko Uttar Pradesh or mamana ha. Rama matnen ba wa ko Garo Hills unari ang pa antio ramba plaha arwa ko Turani Chief Judicial Magistrate una mukhang pataha. Aro salchet na police custody don china Chief Judicial Magistrate agana taha. Thomas Jones Synod College Clay area ni Silver Jubilee Komanianyo Chief Minister Shri Connor K Sangma bakuranga ha. Yo college aduk ni arwa jolni chadambirang na lekha phoreya niyo takchak pe kpa nga arya college ni lekha phoreya niyo ongla ni na dengthang mancha mandirang ni college ni gadang o chapata ko manginok ene aduk ni Chief Minister Shri Connor Sangma parakatanga ha. Ya program mo dongpha gpa jowai ni MLA Shri White Lab Miki Shilla, Thomas Jones Synod College ni Principal Dr. DG Lingdo, Reverend J.S. Lintan, Moderator KGP Synod, Mingi Kam Chairman, DJSC Chalagaparang JHDCCM, Shri Thombor Shiwat WJH SP BD Marak, PK Boro West Jantia Hills ADC, Pastorang, Guljain Dilgaparang Chatru Chatirang, Arokamakam Mandirang Dongpaaha.
And this cannot be done without the kind of passion that we require to do this. A lot of challenges must have come, I can't even imagine them. But here you are today completing 25 years, looking back at history and saying, wow, no matter what happened, we made it and we are here today. And therefore I take this opportunity to congratulate every single individual, every single member of the governing body, every single faculty, every single student, every single parent that has contributed to making Thomas Jones Synod College what it is today. And in spite of the challenges, you have done it.
Yajani bonga thariko kasur kabril uhin new trap ni dol rangmang Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong golpuanga ha. Yag golpua niyo adok ni dilgaparang Chief Justice D.Y.P. ko ngagaman obosta aro HNLC ni dilgapa Chesterfield Thangkyo ko hazag ni kolruksa August jani chigitam thariko suot kapani bidingo am sandina do nangaha ni Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong wamang na aga nangaha.
Ila dapang hato bandawai gidi kai phat 21 yalang patient na kamtan kadi kati sa hat jubor jong ji injuran ba tingi lalong mentaro yalang patient hado 9 of September tingin pa yang to kai ka outcome kai ka jingni lingba kata kai phat ya ka ba table sa for house position par hadir nta lada kadon ka bathiang le singin ya kemen balada kadon ka bajau ni hap banyak perkat bat banyak sedikit kini kalau ka assurance nagalang jongi sok pai ba jung beri
ya jani bunga thariko Grace Academy Secondary School punkam gapa school sports week ko malki playground no ngata wano dengthang khal suani rangko ngata jekai 100 meter race git ring susani chok susani aro dengthang khal susani rangko ngata ha. Reverend Pastor Bante Maupada Chief Guest takire baha Yamania niyo bakur agaparang school ni principal, teacherang, bisarang, aro maparang unga ani khobor ko mansubaha. Pastor Bante bisarang ko aro teacherang ko mukhang chiname dakang kuna didianga ha. Pun kamao, pastor ni jakchin amgapa bisarang na prize ko utnanga ha.
Actually, we're having a school activity week to see the children's talent and to encourage them to participate in different activities. Of course, today we're having sports and we've seen that the children have been participating and enjoying very well. and we've really seen their talents, and we wish them the very best. Grace Academy is a school where we want our children to shine in life, not only in academic, but also in sports and different activities. Thank you.
Yan dal na khobar nga nisok pasakan ti kun methela.